Would you look at that?
Silence!
Your only right is the one to remain silent.
You're only right. If I reign silent.
I see. Just another random guy ready to face his doom.
Who even are you?
Who are you?
Any last words?
Not so fast.
I am afraid that you are quite unaware of who you are talking to.
I am afraid.
You better be. As you should.
I'm afraid. I am afraid.
Why are you meaning to send forth only destruction?
So,
Why are you mean? For instructions.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing?